Next, we take out the high-capacity battery. Flatten the battery connection. Ready for spot welding. We spot weld with a spot welder. The spot welding tutorial has been explained before. Interested friends can click on my homepage to view. Spot welding completed. Use ceramic scissors to cut off the excess part of the battery cable connection. Now let's wrap this cable up. Wrap the first layer of insulation stickers. Then put the protective cover on, cable protection cover, then apply the second layer of insulation sticker. Press it. The battery has been made. This is the cable of the pop-up window, can make the phone pop up. Using the old original battery can also make the phone pop up. The purpose is to let the mobile phone pop up a reminder, and then clear the memory of the previous battery. Start installing the battery. Plug in the pop-up cable and battery cable. The installation is complete. Now let's install the screen. Turn on the phone. Take a look. Show battery information. Turn off the phone and remove the pop-up cable. The pop-up cable has been removed. Start to install the battery. Press it back and forth 3 times. This step is the same as replacing the official original battery. Installing the battery fixing bracket. Let's put some screw glue on the screw. Prevent loosening of screws. Install the bezel. Now our battery is installed. Next, we will paste the original waterproof glue on it. The original waterproof glue has waterproof and dustproof performance. Restores the airtightness of mobile phones. We peel off the last protective film of waterproof glue.